Okay, this is the first problem. The integral of 2x plus 5 times x squared plus 5x to the 7th dx. So first what you do is you find that u equals x squared plus 5x, and then du equals 2x plus 5 dx. And then you plug du back in the equation in u, and you get the integral of x squared plus 5x to the 7th times 2x plus 5 dx, which equals the integral of u to the 7th du, and the integral of u to the 7th du equals u to the 8 over 8 plus c. Then you plug back in the original u, and you get 1/8 x squared plus 5x to the 8th plus c.
So moving right along, now you have 3 minus x to the 10th, the integral of that. Now first you make u equals 3 minus x dx. Then you get du equals negative 1 dx. Then you get negative 1 du equals dx. Now you plug it back in, see that integral of 3x, 3 minus x to the 10th dx equals the integral of u to the 10th of times negative 1 du. Now you get negative integral because of the negative 1 of u to the 10th du. Now you integrate u to the 10th, so you would get negative u to the 11th divided by 11 plus c. Now to conclude, all you have to do is plug back u. So that negative 1 divided by 11 multiplied by 3 minus x to the 11th plus c. And that's our final answer.
Alright, on to the next problem. To take the integral of 4 cosine 3x dx, use the u substitution method again. So u equals 3x, and you find this algebraically 3 dx, then solve for dx. 3 equals dx. Okay, then you use the substituted integral, and we take out the 4 over 3. We take out the 4 over 3. Cosine u du. And then we take the integral of cosine to the u, which is sine of u plus c multiplied by 4/3. Then replace back in the u for sine of 3x. Okay. Sine of 3x. So your answer should be 4/3 sine of 3x plus c.
Okay, now we're on the last problem. Here we're integrating x squared plus 1 divided by x cubed plus 3x dx. First, what you have to do is separate the variables. So you get 1 over x cubed plus 3x times x cubed plus 1 dx. After you do that, then you pick a u. The u we're picking here is x cubed plus 3x. Then you get du. After we get here, what we do is simplify it, so we take the 3 out and get 3 times x cubed plus 1 dx. Now we set it equal to dx, and so we get du over 3 times x cubed squared plus 1. Now we substitute the dx in. Here the x squared plus 1 cancels out, and then x cubed plus 3 is 0, is the u, and then you get 1 over u times 1/3 du. What you do next is you take out the 1/3 and you get the integral of 1 over u du, and then after that 1 over u is 1/3 ln absolute value of u plus c, and then the final answer you should get is 1/3 ln absolute value of x cubed plus 3x plus c.